Major fallout this morning from that college admissions cheating scandal that now has rich and powerful people facing federal charges.
CBS News' Lesley Marin is live at USC with new details. Lesley.
Suzanne, Peter, we have just learned that two Stanford students have filed the first class action lawsuit against the schools involved in this scandal. And those schools in that lawsuit do include USC and UCLA. This is all according to Bloomberg. Meanwhile, USC administrators are looking into applications of students involved. But we want to start with what we're learning about the professional test taker who would take SAT and ACT exams for some of these students and score near perfect. This is a photo of Mark Rydell. Feds claim the Harvard-educated former tennis pro could ace the SAT or ACT and almost pick the score parents wanted for 10 grand a test. The mastermind of the scam, Rick Singer, described Rydell to parents as his best test taker and could nail a score. He's that good. The feds say for Felicity Huffman's daughter, Rydell bumped her SAT score up 400 points to a 1420, while Jane Buckingham, a Beverly Hills marketing guru, allegedly also paid Rydell. According to the indictment, Rydell practiced her son's handwriting from samples she sent him before taking his ACT test in Houston, scoring a 35 out of 36. We spoke to college admissions consultant Alexis White.
I wouldn't even necessarily say just celebrities or just people who are incredibly wealthy. There are so many people whose expectations are just out of whack for what is right for their kids. And I feel like it does speak to this society we live in, which is a society that is obsessed with instant gratification.
Rydell released a statement through his attorney that reads in part, "I want to communicate to everyone that I am profoundly sorry for the damage I have done and grief I have caused those as a result of my needless actions. I understand how my actions contributed to a loss of trust in the college admissions process." Now, Rydell was working at IMG Academy in Tampa. He has since been suspended. Like I said, USC says they are looking into each student involved in this scam on a case-by-case basis. We know that NCAA also looking into this. And Rick Singer, William Rick Singer, I should say, the mastermind behind this entire scam, well, he says he helped more than 700 families in the last decade. So, Suzanne, Peter, we could see a lot more people involved in this scam and a lot more fallout from all of this. That's the latest from USC. Lesley Marin.